Alright friends, so this is Huff and Puff, and that major is what we need to be even for the day in terms of our poker tournament, which was crazy. We played the World Poker Tour tournament today, and we played it a few days. $1,100 buy-in. Let's put that behind us. It was tough. Got unlucky a few times, but that is poker. You can get unlucky in slots too, but it's a different kind of unlucky, that's for sure. But let's put that behind us. Hard work in poker. Slots can be way more fun. We needed those two last time. We needed some corporate pigs here. Okay. Let's see what you're doing here, Mr. Piggy. Okay. Thinking about changing the bet. Why did he give us so much fun stuff to start? 1, 2, 3, what? I've never gotten one where the wolf comes and blows the saws down. So obviously it makes another noise when you only get 2 on the 5th reel. So that means that I can come and like blow another one down, right? I'm assuming yes. I've never seen it. I don't know if I've seen someone else's video. Show it to... Okay. I know this game can be tough, but it also can be super fun. It may be just like the most fun game when it's hitting, and that would have counted as a hit with the golden buzzsaw right away like that. It's showing some good stuff, but let's get some magic here. I'm in pain a little bit from poker, and I could use this major. $1,200 or whatever, $1,100 buy-ins times a few are very expensive. They can add up, obviously. Come on, Wolfie. Where are you at? Okay, we got some lazy pigs on a log, and we got some tape measures for not even our bet back. Wow. Right? That wasn't our bet back, I'm pretty sure. That was tough. Okay, speaking of tough, what is this? $6 on 10 cents. First spin how? No. Okay, now. Come on, did I mention we're at the Win, by the way? The beautiful Win. Come on, giving you a compliment, Win. You can give us something. Holy crap. I was giving him a compliment. The Wolfie at the Win and everything. And, distinct lack of everything all of a sudden. I believe. 2 more. No. No. Yes. Oh, wow. Preemptive yes finally worked for once. I've given so many preemptive yeses. Please. Upgrade. Okay, thank you. Upgrade. Okay. Hold on. Keep going. Is this mansion? Oh. Keep going. Oh, sorry. I'm not even showing up there. I was so focused on it with my own eyes. I was trying to force the mansion feature. But it is a $6 bet, so let's see what can become of this. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Second best, third best, who knows? Let's get a lot of re-triggers here. Okay. I'm failing to see here why that this wolf is doing this to me. Failing to see here why this happened to me. Okay. I don't know what to be excited about. I was excited about a $6 bonus. Nope, not 10x. Media back to back. Oh my god, corporate pig in the middle, or I mean hardworking pig, I should say. That was crazy. Okay. I would have liked at least 1 or 2 mansions there. That goes without saying, but this really gives you a shot at 10 cents over here. $100 mini, $500 miner, too. But we'll keep trying. It's really tough when you get less than 10x bonus. Yeah. Okay. Let's focus. Okay, I wonder what time I should push the button to get a bonus. This one? Maybe. Yes. Ready to come out? Maybe it's this time to push the button. Or maybe it's this time. Maybe it's this time to push the button. It was neither of those times, it turns out, and that's like $100 in 5 seconds. Rude. You know, if anything in this channel can show you is that slots are ruthless and they don't care who you are, or what you just been through, or how much you just put through the machine. They're here to, oh my. The golden buzzsaw was right freaking there. Oh man. That would have been nice. Woulda, coulda, shoulda for sure. I think we hit a jackpot on this bet before, 2 cents. Oh my goodness, this golden buzzsaw. Hey, what is going on here? 2. So 6. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Alright, back in 1 sec with more money. Okay, so we made that officially 2,200. That's how much our tournament's worth. So we put another 200 too. So what is that gonna What in the heck is going on here, people? Can someone really explain why this Wolfie's being so rude? Or is it the piggies? I don't know who to blame. I want to blame somebody. 5 and 2 right away the first spin after I reload. It's just like, people say that it doesn't know how much money you have inside there or what you're doing in terms of reloads and these kind of things. But I feel like it knows exactly what it's doing in terms of reloading. When somebody puts in more money and the machine gives you like this ultimate whatever, like psych out like that, that's crazy. 1. I mean, 2 cents seemed so promising for a little while. Let's do was that 2 cents? Yeah, let's do 5 cent, $6 bets. Let's see what becomes of our beautiful life. Let's hopefully create beautiful matrimony. Okay. Let's create some beautiful matrimony. 2, 3, 4, none. 2. So it can get obviously a howler. We can get him to shake his tail feather. We really want to see buzzsaws because that's what we have. That's when we have a chance for absolute craziness. Maybe 2 cents was where we should have been. You know? Oh my goodness! First one. What did I just say? Please buzzsaws. Okay, I think we know what it is. Maybe it was where we should have been this whole time. Okay. Please let this turn into something absolutely glorious. No, dun. Okay, we need hats. That is, okay. That is the prime objective. We're in for 400 roughly. I mean, we're in for 400 total buy-ins, but we have how much of it left? Let's get something crazy. Do you know the Rodeo's in town? I feel you guys are hearing a lot of country music behind me. That is why. The Rodeo is in town. Oh. Alright, much better. Let's please get a lot of mansions. I'm just asking for a little bit of help here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Now, I know I just asked for a little bit of help, but I want a little bit more help. Please, Wolfie. Hi. You know, we're great friends. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my. It doesn't get much better than that, huh? We're only 4 games in. I don't want to jinx it. These are the hats that we are looking for. Let this be. Oh my goodness, guys. A re-trigger and more mansions. Holy. Okay. These are the hats that we are looking for. Come on. Okay, holy crap, guys. Now, I don't know if I would have done this if I bet $6 or $8 like I was just betting, but I am really enjoying this. Please, 333 again. Let's just fill up the whole page. Oh my. Oh, we're just shocked when it doesn't do it at this point. Yes, 3. Holy crap. Okay. The rodeo's in town. I'm trying to rat him, cowboy. I'm trying to buck him. Let's go. Okay, 2 more. Now, please, 3 on aisle 1. Excuse me. 3. Let's get those other ones filled in. Oh, okay. Well, I don't think we can complain about this beautifulness. Now, if we get like at least 1 upgrade and at least $1 grand, I will be happy. Let this be beautiful, Mr. Wolf. As my friend, the big Payback says, do what you do and do it well. Tim, I need the energy right here. Come on, Wolfie. Please upgrade. Well, okay, it's about 500, right? You know, I could want more, and I do want more, but I do appreciate what I've received. Because, you know, when you lose a bunch in poker and you're wide open kind of, and you're ready to like punt off and maybe put in like a few thousand and then wake up next morning like, what the heck just happened? I think I'll enjoy this. Not exactly what I lost. But you shouldn't chase, especially at a slot machine. Okay, so take that as a lesson. What's going on to the right of me? Do a few that. Oh my, corporate pig. I want to see just the 2 and the 2 full stack. That was only 720. Very interesting, Wolfie. Thank you though. We'll do some backups. Let's go back to 5 cent. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Now, there's a huge difference between 4 of a kind and 5 of a kind, obviously. Get a golden buzzsaw, what a situation that would be. Holy, I just say to get a golden buzzsaw, what a situation that would be. But I do mean 2 other little buddies accompanying him at the end. 4 more. Hey, another howler would be quite delightful. 2 more. Oh, 2 total. Holy moly. Oh, I think, look at these 2 grands right there. Look how beautiful this looks. I think you can get it on both wheels. That's so crazy, you know? I wonder what's the lowest I've gotten, like, the thing on. The hat adding. Come on, bring him back. Have I got it on 1? I know I've gotten on 3 a few times, so. Okay, and then what do we have? And I guess there's 1 more at 3, right? Ooh, back over here. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Does that yield us 1 more spin? It does not, and I'm not going to get tricked. I'm going to take this $600. I did play a lot of poker today. That is, I'm in for more than $2,000 something in terms of poker tournaments. Even though we didn't win it back here, I was just joking. Never ever chase your losses in any form of gambling, especially when you're switching from poker to slots. It is absolutely just go and have fun, just blow off some steam, maybe come with like $200-300. We put in 4, we're cashing out 601. You cannot forget that 01. And we're cashing out a $200 win. It's better than adding to the losses, and we're gonna live to fight another day. And yeah, thank you for watching. We're gonna go find another game probably, but I think we got all we could out of this little silly wolfie. We'll be back soon, guys. Got you short. Okay, we are here, high limit room with a Baozu, huge major, huge everything. We're gonna take a chance to win something huge right now. Let's see. This thing has, oh, first spin magic. I love first spin magic. Nice perceived progression. What does that mean? Nothing.
I need to show Baozu my nails.
Oh no, we don't need to bring that up again. These numbers are pretty small, but it's showing them. Yeah, keep showing 50 credits, so that'd be 250. It's pretty small. Okay. Oh, 880. Watch this. My sincerest apologies. I have to mix in 1 though to get this now. Yes. No. Oh, I saw some good ones fly by. Oh, no. Yeah, Baozu is one thing we've been talking about is moving our bets from like the smallest bet to the biggest bet. But if we do it on this, it's many, many dozens of holy crap. Oh, that should have been. It could have been. It would have been the one. Well, in the high limit room, you know, of course, we kind of hang around here. Okay, come back to us, double mini. Don't come back to us, double mini. Come back. No, oh my God. Yeah, there's a likelihood that he owns a nail shop. Let's go. Let's go, Baozu. All right, double mini. Sorry, it just looks beautiful. It just looks beautiful. Yep. All right, wifey. Make it happen. Yes. 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 Okay. Well, little tiny baby ones after, but.
Baozu.
Baozu. Okay, a little bit better. Come to us, Baozu. Oh, it's another one. Yeah. Welcome now. Let's just drop the major. Oh. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, there it is again. Okay. We could technically win the grand. It has to be legally possible for people to win a grand in Las Vegas every once in a while.
There's a big one there.
Yeah, there is a real big one. I'm fine to take 7 small ones downstairs and 8. Okay, there we go. Okay. Are you Vanna White right now? Bottom right. Oh. I think your finger fluttering is, I know Daniel does it, Vegas low roller, but for some reason, I don't know, it looks like it's working for you too. Okay. No. I don't want to hear it, it's gross. Now? Is your crack nail method? Oh, downstairs, see, you didn't like it. Oh, sorry, you're supposed to do it, I forgot. And now?
Now you have to do it.
All the pressure's on me to replenish the spins. Shove 3 at once, why not? How about none? But it's very.
Excited and you spent too much.
I did. I wanted to. I want to push the button. I want to push the button. It's a good one though. It's usually not easy to just walk in and get that big one, the pop. You know, that's all filled up. Okay.
I thought the other ones were maybe.
I know. Okay. Well, we're on a roll here. We're just bouncing from machine to machine. Yeah, I think 2 at least. Okay. Oh, immediate backups are my favorite. Immediate back-to-backs. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think you did good on this one. Now let's go find another one. We're trying to win on every machine. Lock up the win and walk out. Let's go.